Minnie Mouse, Goofy.
Goofy and this is Donald.
Yeah. Wow, see?
Minnie Mouse. Huey, Louie and Louie.
So there's full
The full
Disneyland.
Mickey, Minnie, everyone.
Mickey, Minnie, Goofy.
Disneyland.
Oh, I'm sure. I'm feeling so bad Eliza's not here with me.
She would have loved it.
No, I know, I just feel bad that they're missing out on seeing this could have been a perfect holiday, Bob. That's why I'm feeling bad.
Dubai Land they called it.
Oh, we can go sit in one of these little restaurants.
I think this is just, is it a restaurant?
तो खा रहे हैं लोग बैठ
I
के.
think कुछ है वो.
This is the name. No, I think these are not eating places, they're not food.
Yeah, some do.
They just things for sale.
No, there is some little thing here maybe, or maybe you can just sit with your own thing.
Look at these, so pretty. Yeah, every little place here you can sit down and.
How come people are not sitting there? So they have come to see the place, not they don't want to see. खा पी के लाके बैंड बारी कर दे.
Look at this. Very pretty. Actually, wonderful. One is to do two rounds, one to go this way and one to look at that side. Oh, look at it. We'll come back to the entrance then. We almost back. Yeah, entrance we started with the entrance.
Oh, look at the pit here.
One round. Oh, this is one. The elephants are so cute. I don't know how anything will come. And without
Oh, look at the elephants.
As she says, YouTube has it all.
It's so cute, these three
Aren't they
fellows.
sweet? Those eyes. But you know what's nice is that
Oh, they have bhutta. We can come and have
the
corn.
trouble is,
bhutta.
you've got to have flowers which work the whole year through. This is a garden which is open all year. So
You're
that's
back home.
morning
That's your trip.
Basically morning
Yeah, but we can go walk from this
we'll
side because
walk.
it's more shady this side.
Yeah, we'll walk this side.
Or we can go down to that also.